Welcome to Quantitative Aptitude, brought to you by Googly Gamma, your learning companion. How good are you at calculating percentages mentally? When a shopkeeper tells you there is a discount of 12% on an item priced at Rs 400, do you struggle? In this video, I'll share with you a technique which will be useful not only for students or competitive exam aspirants, but also in your daily life. By the way, if you need to brush up your concepts about percentage, please check out the part 1 video link in the description. So, first of all, to compute any percentage value, say x% of n mentally, all you need is to find out some basic anchor percentages like 50, 25, 10, 1, 0.1 and 5. So these are our anchor points. Why? I'll tell you soon. Let us take n equal to 400 and calculate each of them mentally. To start with, 50% of n means 50 by 100 of n. On dividing numerator and denominator by 50, we get 1 by 2 of n, or simply put, half of n. So for n is equal to 400, half of n is 200. Let's move on to 25% of n, or 25 by 100 of n. Again, dividing numerator and denominator by 25, we get 1 by 4 of n, or a quarter of n. This is equal to half of n. So for n is equal to 400, half of it is 200. Again, half of 200 is 100. Good so far. The next three percentages, 10, 1 and 0.1, are very simple if you know a trick. Let me show you. We have 10, 1 and 0.1 percentages. 10% means 10 by 100 of n is equal to n by 10. 1% is 1 by 100 of n equals n by 100. 0.1% means 0.1 by 100 of n equals n by 1000. Now, consider any number with any number of digits as n. You can find its 10% value by drawing a line after its units place digit. So if n equals to 1250, its 10% is 125.0. Next, to find 1% of any number, draw a line after tens place digit. So for 1250, 1% value is 12.50. To compute 0.1%, the line moves one more position left. So 0.1% of 1250 is 1.25. Let's go back to our previous case where n equals 400. I hope we can find mentally that 10% value is 40, 1% value is 4 and 0.1% value is 0.4. Let us quickly find 5% of 400 now. 5% of n is half of 10% of n. As we already know, 10% of 400 is 40. Half of it is 20. So 5% is 20. Now that we are armed with our basic anchor percentage values, let us compute some difficult ones. Find 60% of 400. Okay, how can this be done mentally? Think of 60 as 50 plus 10. Now, half of 400, that is 50%, is 200 and 10% is 40. So, our answer is 240, adding 240. Simple? Do you want to try another one? What is 12% of 400? 12 is 10 plus 1 plus 1. 10% of 400 is 40, 1% is 4, again 1% is 4. On adding all three, our answer is 48. We are all set. Try this technique mentally without writing down the steps. Remember, practice makes you perfect. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave feedback. Thanks for learning with Googly Gamma.